place looks fancy. Alright, so I just got into the room and I must say, why do I keep saying that every time? But yeah, it's really nice. I know they say it's recently renovated, so everything in here looks pretty much new. As you walk right here, you got the mirror, so you know you can see if you'll fit right, ready to go out for the nightlife. Why do I always say stuff that rhyme? And this tabletop right here is pretty much for the ladies, you know, when you want to do your makeup on. You got the mirror with the lights on the side so you can see what you're doing to your face. They got the 40-inch LG TV. You also got this dresser area where there's a safe and there's 3 drawers you can pull out and put your stuff in. They also have a mini bar menu over here with all type of selections of candies and drinks and stuff, but I advise you to don't touch it unless you really need it. Then you can take it, but once it pulls out, it's gonna charge to your room. Just remember that, people. And besides candies and drinks and stuff, they also have a intimacy kit. So, you know, for you freaks out there, want to get that, yeah. And then they got this work area desk right here with a little lamp light. So, you know, if you need to get some work done. They also have a mini fridge where you can put all your cold stuff in. That's cool. You guys got 2 tables on the corner with the lamp light and the table. If you just want to relax and kick it. And right here, I thought I was supposed to get the regular room, but I guess this is an upgrade from a queen to a king. As already you got the king bed right here with 5 pillows. Both sides got 2 lamps on each side, and 1 on each side is a closet. One side got your ironing board, and one side you can hang all your clothes and stuff. As you go right here in the bathroom, there's a closet right here, and what's cool about this is you use this barn door to slide it open to open up your bathroom door while you're closing your closet. Bathroom is really bright. Got the tile on the walls. And the shower right here that looks really nice because it was just recently renovated, so everything here looks pretty new. And like every Caesar hotel, if you forgot your soap, shampoo, whatever, they got you right here. Like that's some conditioner, shampoo, body wash. With some crazy looking colors and stuff. I don't know, I guess that goes with the vibe of the Harrah's. They got your toilet right here, as usual. And got this nice sink area. And got the mirror with the lights around it. Oh, and I'm not gonna forget this time. We're gonna check out the view and see where my view's at. All right, let's see the view. Oh, glass reflection behind the mirror. I gotta turn this off a quick one. There we go. So I'm on the 26th floor. I got some view of the strip. Got the Mirage right there. Treasure Island. And yeah, it's not bad. Pretty nice view. So right now I'm just gonna relax a little bit, go out and grab me some dinner or something, maybe bring it up to the room, maybe get room service if I don't feel like going out, and then I'll explore more of Harrah's tomorrow.
That's all there is to it. All there is to it. City bar.
Alright, so I just came from downstairs, went to go check out more of what Harrah has. What I think about this hotel, it's really nice, especially the rooms because they just recently renovated and majority of the furniture that they have over here is new. And I like the modern look with the light and the dark, which mixes real well. They got a lot of closet space in this room. King size bed, you got one behind the barn door, which leads to the bathroom. The casinos is really laid out. You know, they have one area certain games, and another area has certain games. Then you got the tables in one area, which is really convenient, so people know where they're going, and the sports book in one area, so you know where it is. Another thing I like about this hotel is the location. It's pretty much in the heart of the strip. It's also connected to other hotels like the Link, Flamingo. It's also connected to the monorail, so if you want to hop on there and go hotel hopping. You also got some good places to eat over here, like Ruth Chris Steakhouse, Pizza Cakes, Ramsey's Kitchen, Bobby's Burgers by Bobby Flay. What also cool is they also have the Fulton Street Food Hall, which they have foods like vegetables. They even got a noodle bar that was pretty cool. And they got some other places that I can't remember because the majority of the places were closed. The one place I really wanted to try was a sushi bar. They have a sushi bar. You know me, I love sushi. I love raw fish. As you know, I love poke. I was looking forward to trying that, but they was closed. Maybe next time when I stay at another room over here, I'll do that. Oh, and they also have a Starbucks and a Ben & Jerry's if you want dessert. Also check out the spa and the gym, which is pretty cool. Looks tranquil, but the curtains was closed, so I guess it was closed around that time, so I couldn't get in there. There's also the gym I want to walk by, but there's a lot of people in there that were working out. Even now on vacation and eating all that food, they still managed to go to the gym in the morning and work out. So I went to the pool, and unfortunately the pool's closed because usually around this time, in the winter time, it gets cold. That's another one I gotta check next time I stay here at another room. You also got some shows like Donny Osmond. He's back for the Flamingo. Now he's over here at the Harrah's. Tape Face, I don't know what that is, but must be her or something from America's Got Talent. And Menopause the Musical. Sounds like a button on a tape deck. If you got that reference, you know what I'm talking about. And I'm surprised that the atmosphere over here is pretty chill. You usually go around hotels and you see a lot of rowdy people going, nah, not this hotel. Maybe it's a slow night because it was a Tuesday, but it seemed everyone was chill and everyone was cool. And the cons of this place is I didn't really have anything bad about this hotel, actually. The only thing I could probably think of is the squatters outside of the hotel or the scammers, but didn't really see any of them because maybe it was because it was cold. They didn't want to be out in the cold, so that's great. Actually, the view I have was pretty cool. I had the view of the strip. As you can see, some of the construction workers are taking down all the frames and lightings of the F1 that they had. Now, would I recommend you to stay at this place? Definitely. And for the price, I only got this room for $9 a night, which is only staying for one night. That's why I'm doing this review. And the room pretty spacious. Well, the one thing about here is you might get confused looking for your room, because there were some tourists that I seen was looking around trying to find their room. Sometimes the signs of the numbers on the side were hiding where people can't really see. Like there was this one lady that couldn't find her room and I ended up helping her. Kind of wish I had the audio on that, and it was funny because the lady was staying next to my room, so that's how I knew what room she was at. So if you got this far in the video, mahalo. I hope this really helps you out knowing what you're gonna expect staying at a hotel like the Harrah's or any other hotels that I do. And I hope this really helps you to make a decision on that. So if you like this video and it really helps you out, please give it a like and subscribe to this channel. I would really appreciate it. I'll be doing more hotel reviews. Hopefully it gets better and better and my channel keeps growing to where I can do a lot more of these, which I really like to do because I really like helping people. But the main goal I want to get to is 1,000 subscribers. And the only way I can get to that is with your help. Hopefully you support my channel and I'll be doing the best content as I can for y'all. So once again, this is Manny. Until next time, aloha.